Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another banger. It's your boy Ken, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you the fastest agent in the game right now. This video is going to be a complete beginner's guide. I'm going to be showing you guys everything from signing up and getting coupons to finding products, QCing your items, how to declare, and how to ship out your items. So without any further ado, boys, let's get right into it. Alrighty, first things first, you're going to want to hit the first link in the description and open up the ACBuy Signup. That should get you 8 coupons when you sign up with my link. If you're on the link tree, that will be the first link in the link tree. Alright, now the second thing you need to know is how to find products. It's very simple. So there's 3 methods that I'm going to show you today. The first one is using my website. Links will be in the description, also in the link tree. And you can see here we got every popular item, and we have some things that spreadsheets don't have, which is why I'd recommend this over a spreadsheet for beginners. We have a bunch of filters on the side, and more importantly, we have a search bar that makes it very easy to find any item that you want. So if I'm looking, for example, for some Jordan 4s, all I gotta do is write Jordan 4 in the search bar, and every single Jordan colorway will show up. All right, now the second method that I'm gonna show you is using Reddit. So a lot of people sleep on Reddit. Do not sleep on Reddit. You can see here, we got a bunch of finds. Like, this is some shit that you'll never see anywhere else, like a sword, fucking all types of shit. All these subreddits have a rule where you have to post a where to cop. So for example, if I want to know where this item is from, all I gotta do is click on it, and they drop the weed on link right over here. A lot of times they'll drop the base link, and you just paste this into your ACBuy like so, and boom, it'll show up. Now the third method I'm going to show you guys is using other spreadsheets. One of the spreadsheets that I can personally recommend that I've bought from is Yeeves Creed. This guy is a goat. He put me onto PandaBuy way back in the day, and he's still kicking. He's still making really good content and has a really well maintained spreadsheet, so you can take a look at that as well. Now here's a bonus section. A lot of people don't know how to use Yupoo. You'll see a lot of Yupoo links. You cannot directly paste these into ACBuy. So what you gotta do, you find an item you like these Supreme jeans right over here, and it'll give you a link usually in this description section, and then you can post that link into your ACBuy and it will show you the product. One thing I want to note about sizing on shoes is that most of the time it will only tell you Euro sizing. So what you can do is use a Euro to US size chart, or wherever you're from. You can figure out what size you are in Euro. For example, I'm 9.5, that's 43, so I'm going to go ahead and select that and add it to the cart. Alright, you can see I got my account topped up with $600 as per usual. I'm going to go down, hit checkout. Alright boys, Editor Ken here. I'm not going to bore you with this stuff. It's just the same as checking out on any other website, so just figure it out. And you can see all of the stuff is under review. An agent is going to buy it for us. Then it's going to arrive at the warehouse where they're going to take pictures of it. Then we can see those pictures, see if we actually like the product, if we got scammed or not, and if we like it, we can ship it out. Alright, now once you order everything, it's going to take a couple of days to get in the warehouse. You can see that I ordered this on the 21st, and I think this got in the warehouse yesterday, so it took about 2 days. No other agent that I've used has been this fast ever. Now to actually ship out your items, you can select all of them by hitting select all down here, or you can select the ones that you just want to ship if you want to put it into 2 packages or whatever. But once you do that, hit submit for delivery. A lot of people look at this over here and ask if they should get any of these items. I'd recommend, if you live in a country where they're known to handle packages badly, or you're shipping through a line like DHL, make sure to switch to carton packaging and get parcel reinforcement. It's only going to cost you like $3, and it's very worth it. Now moving on to the delivery lines, you can see we got a bunch of options on here. People always ask me, dude, what's the best line? The best line is the cheapest line that'll get you the products in less than 10 days. And you can see here we got EMS, one of the best lines I've always used, but there's a new line that ACBuy added, Canada Post, and I'm going to start using that because it's a couple dollars cheaper and it has the same delivery time, give or take. Now once you've selected your line, this is the part that everyone gets super confused on. What is declaring and how do I do it? In simple terms, declaring is just telling the government how much your package is worth so that they could apply taxes on it accordingly. If you're using a tax-free line, it doesn't matter what number you put in here. But if you're in other countries that have high tax rates and you don't want to pay tax, there are some ways to do that. Obviously, that is illegal and I do not recommend it. If you need help declaring or just want someone to look over your declare, hit me up on Discord and I will help you out with that. Links will also be in the link tree. Now all you gotta do now is hit submit package. I'm not gonna do it right now because I'm still waiting on some more items, but essentially it'll show up here with the tracking number. All you gotta do is put that tracking number into a website like 17track, and once you put into 17track, it will show you all the shipping details for that package, and then you can track it all the way to your house. One last tip before the end of the video, I want to tell you guys that every time you get a haul, you should record yourself unboxing it, post it on TikTok, post it on YouTube, and if that video blows up, you can get a free haul from All China Buy. Trust me, it's so worth it. That's how I've gotten so many hauls for free, and you can do the same thing. All you gotta do to claim your cash back is hit me up on Discord and I will get you signed up for the program. And if you're wondering why I have the power to do that, recently I became a manager for All China Buy. So that means I can help you guys out by giving you opportunities like signing you guys as content creators, giving out coupons. I do that all the time on my Discord. Recently I gave away a pair of LV skates, so make sure you join the Discord. A bunch of bangers on there. And with that being said, boys, it's been your boy Ken. I hope you guys learned something from this video. And if you guys have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and do all that. And I'll see you boys next time. Peace.